Might even like set these hi-hats way back. They are kind of loud. And we turn down the snare. And I'm thinking I'm going to throw an EQ on the end of this after the compression. That just kind of brings up the low end of that kick. Okay. Focus, focus, focus. We are back. Okay, cool. All right. Well, let's switch to the other camera now. That's funny. Let's compress this a little bit. You can already tell that feels brighter. Add a little fade in. That's an interesting sound. I'm not sure if this is going to be the vibe, but we may as well play around with it. Oh man, I really like that. I'll maybe like throw a little bit of delay on this. Tiny details. I feel like honestly it's like I got my melody here that is going to be taking up a lot of space. This though is going to be a track of a lot of small pieces. Let's maybe ping pong this delay. Make it really subtle too. Here we go. Is that Spitfire Labs? Yes, sir, it is. They updated it. Added a whole lot of new sounds. I think I'm going to do this bounce track in place. I've never tried this. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's easy. So why I wanted to do this, I guess, is because I was kind of thinking of like doing some chop manipulations. Like, what if we just removed every other one of these guys? What if we were just like... Let's make this a lot more minimal. Let's dress this down. And I think I want to like make this more of a crescendo. I want this to come out of nowhere. Let's pull out our utility, dress in some sort of automation here where, I don't know, does that make sense? What if we monoed it? Yeah, you see, now it's a much smaller part of this mix, and we can put it in like the left ear. Okay, yeah, those last two, okay. And we might even compress that. And we'll probably mono that as well. I really like maybe creating an array of monoed instruments and kind of spreading them out, you know, and then maybe we'll have like 1 or 2 elements that have some width to them, and it'll be like some warm pads underneath or something. Oh, what if I've got an idea? Let's duplicate this. Let's say this guy comes down here. Same with this guy. And we're going to say this is like hard left and this is like hard right. I think we actually might really scoot this over. I want to like bring in a sax solo or trumpet solo in here. Oh, this might be cool. It's very reedy. But that's so beautiful. I feel like we just need to dress this down right. My first thought is vocal pawpaw. I kind of like the dryness, but I don't like the reediness of this, you know? God, this sax just makes me feel things, man. And we're not going to use like all of that. I think we're going to pick our moments. And then I kind of have an idea for what we could do with these transitions. Yeah, what if we did maybe just that and we just... Yeah, following up that choir basically. And I was also thinking, what if we pulled out like a crystallizer? Even quieter on that. Really subtle details, almost to nothing. When I mix this down, I might actually utilize return tracks just to get a little bit more control over the volume of that. Yeah, let's maybe mess around with like some bird sounds. Yeah, give it more dimension. Oh, well, this is perfect. And let's like really turn this down. Set it really far down on the ground. I feel like something that I hear, like a big mistake that I hear a lot of people that are new to mixing maybe, is that, you know, they'll put birds in the background of their track, but they'll have it like way too far up. I think that it is a detail that is meant to be at the floor of your mix, you know, the floor. It should be, you should really set it way down on the ground, just really quiet in the background. Let it be subtle. Let it have dimension. Like this is enough. And I'm curious how this might sound throughout the song. It might help give a little bit more. And this is another great opportunity for a great like solo moment. I'm thinking we should go find like a really satisfying trumpet. Like that is just nice, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. But we're just gonna keep it out there. And let's keep digging. Okay, we're gonna try to distinguish these two parts a little bit. I'm thinking this guy's gonna be like vinyled and in the background. And we need something to finish that out. And I think we're going to bring them back around to this really beautiful sax lick. That sax lick is just so golden. Like, I think it's a good callback. You know, we need to just like throw that back in there. Maybe we do just finish out the phrase with this second piece. Oh, yeah. You see, I'm trying to find different ways to make these two trumpet licks sound a little bit more connected and also a little bit more distinguished, right? So vinyl processing on this second trumpet to help it feel more like a separate instrument. I'm kind of extending it out in both directions. At first, we weren't quite vibing with the full lick, right? We just liked this one, that. But I'm starting to find that maybe the second piece that came after that and the first piece that came before that actually could help us out here. Gosh, I'm gonna have to really fiddle with this. Okay, I've got an idea. Let's chop this apart. Let's bring this guy back to here. In fact, we might even just get rid of this guy, honestly. I want to try something, though, that might help tie us to the next section. And then we'll do like a little delay on this guy. What if instead of ping pong, we actually did this like sort of... Oh, there we go. I love those delay bends, man. Those are awesome. just need something to fill this space. Probably coming... we'll borrow a lick from over here. Oh, beautiful. And I think last detail, I was gonna play around with a little bit of string swelling stuff. Maybe a clarinet instead, I don't know. And I want to spice up that intro a little bit better. Okay, so maybe we just have these 3 notes over here. And maybe we like mono this. Try to find a better way of fitting this in the mix. Oh, that's beautiful. Ha! Oh my gosh, guys. I think we have a beat here. Oh man, that is beautiful. I feel like I'm going to cherish this track for a very long time. Before I go, just wanted to remind you guys, if you need beats, definitely reach out. I've got my beat stars listed below. And if you need mixing services, reach out. I am also a mix engineer. And also, if you would like for me to listen to your music live on stream, and give you all of my thoughts and all of my tips and tricks and all the feedback, definitely swing through my Twitch. I've also got that listed below. I'm live every Wednesday reviewing music from my Twitch subscribers. So yeah, definitely consider coming through. It's a fun time.